Don't give it no gas. Parker's just laughing. Stealing Mama's car. Parker's like, yeah, we're getting away with it. Stealing your car. Now he's going to run his own mom over. Are you stealing my car? Are you stealing my car?
Yeah, I'm stealing the car.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Let me see your license and registration. Oh, and who is this? What is he doing? You both don't have seatbelts on. Do you know how fast you are going?
Right, not even 1 mile per hour.
How much?
Like not even 1 mile per hour.
I beg to differ. You were doing 5 in a 0 miles per hour zone. Do I need to bring you in?
Nope!
Sir, why are you so quiet?
Yeah, Parker, why are you so quiet? Huh?
Oh, his name is Parker. Parker, why are you so quiet? Did you help your brother steal this car?
Yeah.
You did? Where was you guys going? Where were you guys going?
Somewhere.
Parker, where were you guys going?
Away from you!
Where were you going, son?
Backing up.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?